seen my parents meditate for as long as I can remember, but it is not something that I had dabbled with till my guru came into my life 20 years ago. I have had a very interesting relationship with meditation, and for the last 10 years, I have been my most consistent. It has been the single biggest source of strength which has given me the courage to face life's challenges with a smile. Whether it was leaving a bad marriage, raising a child alone, or starting a career at 35, and in more recent times, dealing with a crippling autoimmune disorder. That might seem like a tall order, but truly, meditation is one thing. If done consistently, it can connect you with that inner source of strength which we all have. So here are the 10 things that I have learned from meditating for 10 years. Be patient with yourself. When you first start meditating, forget your mind, even your body will not listen to you. You will discover all kinds of random itches and irritations on your body, but be patient. Soon the itch will settle down. Then you will notice that your thoughts are gushing in like waves. Your mind will wander. It's only natural. All these years, you have given your mind freedom to do what it wants, and suddenly you wanted to listen. Well, the mind is a monkey. The more you say, don't do one thing, the more it will want to do that, jumping from thought to thought. So be patient, train that monkey. With practice, your thoughts will slow down. So be patient with yourself. Do not give up. Regularity and sincerity are the most important. Look at it like building the muscles of your mind. Just like going to the gym regularly helps you build the muscles of your body. And if you stop going to the gym, you lose all the progress you made. Same goes for meditation. Be regular, make it a lifestyle and not just a fad you're trying out. Make it a part of your daily life routine. This is the only way you will see results. Start with 5 to 10 minutes and slowly build it up. Reduce stress and anxiety. These words have become, unfortunately, as natural as breathing in our times. Both these emotions are either related to the past, we are troubled by what had happened, or it's related to the future, we are worried about what might happen. Meditation helps to remind you to stay in the present. The more present you are, the calmer you will be. The calmer you are, the more prepared you will be to face life's challenges. Mindfulness. We as a society are very adept at multitasking. We are very proud of doing 3 to 4 things at a time. While we eat, we watch something. Even then, we don't watch just one thing. We jump channels or we talk. We might even be texting or checking our phones. Everything except really enjoying that wonderful food in front of us. We tend to overeat mindlessly. Meditation teaches you to be more mindful of what you are doing all the time. Slow down. We have gotten so used to running non-stop. Before we know, our entire year is already planned out. We are so busy running, we don't even look around to see what is around us. We don't hear the birds singing, the leaves changing color, the sky ablaze in a glorious sunset. We are so busy running that our moments blur into days, days into months, and months into years. Every year we say, "Oh my, time is going so fast." Time is going at a constant speed. You are the one running through life. In the process, we are losing connection with ourselves, with our loved ones, with everything around us. Meditation teaches you to slow down, to stop and smell the rain. Increase your productivity. If you leave your car running in a stationary position, it will soon run out of fuel. Similarly, if you constantly let your mind run, you will run out of energy as well. Our thoughts are like that, revving up our mind at full speed in a stationary position, going at 1,000 miles per hour, tiring us out while we have not moved at all. Meditation teaches you to slow down and be able to shut off that engine at will, conserving the fuel of your life. Charge that battery. You are a powerhouse of energy. Have you noticed that some days you are so very effective, productive, full of energy, and on other days so lethargic that you don't feel like doing anything? Meditation is the charger which connects your body to that infinite source within. The better quality charger you have, the more energetic you will be. Clear your vision. The more still your mind, the clearer your vision will be. The moment you throw a stone in a still lake, it creates ripples. Thoughts are like stones being thrown in a lake, creating more thoughts, more ripples, till the reflection that you see in the quiet lake is fully disturbed. The less thoughts, the less ripples, clearer the vision. Find that answer. As the vision becomes clearer, you can start seeing things which you could not see earlier. It starts with very simple things. You might remember suddenly something that you had misplaced. The more clarity you have is directly proportional to the quieter your mind is. Over time, you will realize that the answer is truly within. Set a date with yourself. A wise man once said, if you are bored alone, that means you're in bad company. Meditation has taught me to love my own company, to be self-reliant, to enjoy solitude. We are trying to escape being alone, either in objects or in people. We try to hide from ourselves, always trying to do something, read a book, listen to music, be with others. Very rarely do we set a date with ourselves. Meditation is your date with yourself. It teaches you to love being alone. Meditation is not an activity. It is not something you do for a few minutes every day. It is a state of being. The stronger you make this state of being, the more it is going to stay with you throughout the day. It will make you more mindful of all your actions and thoughts. You will not eat food compulsively. You will not get stuck in repetitive emotions of negativity, of thoughts of anger, anxiety, and stress. It will change your life forever. I can guarantee that from my own experience. But to do that, you have to be consistent. Make it a regular part of your lifestyle. Make it as natural as breathing. Then, just as how the immense potential that is hidden inside a tiny seed of a banyan tree manifests as this majestic tree, the immense potential hidden inside you will manifest as a glorious human being. May you manifest the best version of yourself. Happy meditating.